Mr. Dinesh from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Departments. Now I am discussing about guest room entering procedure. Guest room entering procedures is the procedures in which how we enter in a guest room if we are working in a hotels. For suppose if you are a guest room attendant, then you don't know how we entered in the guest room. With this content, you need to learn how we enter in the guest room. Basically, first step, leave the D&D, means do not disturb. If you see a D&D sign in outside of any room, then please don't disturb that room, because either the guest is going to sleeping or anything else. Please don't disturb them. And the second, follow or you knock the door first. When you standing outside the door, you knock the door like this. Announce housekeeping. If there is no response, then wait for 10 to 12 seconds. Then if again no response, then again you knock the door and announce housekeeping. If again no response, then you use the master key and open the door and check that if the guest is in the room, then you come outside. If the guest is not in the room, you start the cleaning. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.